Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kirsten Ria and today I'm doing something a little bit different, but it's also really exciting. I'm really excited to tell you guys. So, I have very kindly been sent a sort of care package, a goodie bag, I guess, or a goodie box from the lovely people over at Captain Morgan, who are basically doing like a little video game competition event where they've got their own little video games. It's called Who's the Captain Now. It looks amazing and I'm super excited to take part in it, and I'm hoping that you guys will take part in it as well, because I will be doing a little giveaway for a little something. Let's just say a little something. But before I get into that, I'm just gonna basically do a little unboxing of this lovely goodie box that they have sent over, because I don't really know what it is that they've sent over. I kind of have the basic gist of what's there, but they basically said it was like a goodie box thing. There's a bunch of other things in there. So yeah, we're gonna go through this together so that you can maybe see what you could also win. So it's in this big old DHL box, and it's come with this. Ahoy, Kirsten! Captain Morgan has a very exciting announcement coming, so get ready to gather your crew. So that's you, okay? On September 10th at 8 PM, rally your crew for some friendly rivalry and competitive banter. I feel like I should be saying this as a pirate, really. Have your mobiles handy and make sure you're live streaming the Captain Morgan YouTube channel. Oh, and don't forget your A game. You'll need this to show everyone who's the captain now. P.S. Keep hold of your gift. It'll come in handy. Captain's orders. That's the worst pirate accent in the world. I apologise. Wow, this is like a full-on crate. Okay, shall I just take out the crate? Come on, work with me now. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, that is heavy. Let's look at some of these goodies. So, we have a bottle of lemonade, Schweppes lemonade. There we are. Cool mint. So that's something that I've definitely seen put into drinks. Oh, we got a couple of limes. Look at that, a couple of limes. And then we've got one of these, which I think is called a jigger. My partner kept saying, I need to get you a jigger. I think that's what this is. But yeah, it's to measure out the alcohol. So we've got 25 ml here and then 50 ml at the top, because one of the things they did say is that with alcohol like this, you should never free pour. Never ever free pour, okay? Use one of these, be responsible. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, oh my. Whoa. Okay, we have a Captain Morgan tankard, is that what they're called? Tankard? Look at the size of this thing. Oh, I'm excited. Look at that. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that just the prettiest tankard you've ever seen? Yes, Captain Morgan, yes. So we'll put that there. USB leads. Don't know what that's for, so I guess we should find out. Whoa. Okay. So we have, you put your phone in, but you link your phone up to it. That's super cool. Look at that. And it says it's like a proper Captain Morgan brand controller. It's like a Captain Morgan brand Xbox controller. Oh, Captain Morgan. I know that's not like their theme song, but I made you guys up a theme song. It goes, Captain Morgan. Dude, it's gold. Look at this. Okay, well, that is just going front and center on my shelf forever. That's incredible. Spiced gold. That is the prettiest bottle. Look at that. Oh my gosh, shall I open it? Shall I smell it? Shall I open it? Actually, I'm gonna open it. I don't want to open it. I don't want to ruin it, but I'm gonna have to open it because I gotta make drinks. I got cool mint and limes. So yeah, there you are. That is the lovely Captain Morgan goodie box, crate, shall I say. It wasn't a goodie box, it was a crate of goodies. It was literally in a crate. Now, Captain Morgan knows that with face-to-face banter being limited, things like footy off the cards and unis closed, we've been missing a bit of friendly rivalry. Who's the Captain Now pits teams of gamers against each other in a series of epic arcade-style games, hilarious quizzes, and barrels of banter, all via your mobile phone. Where is my mobile phone? It's the new way to get together on a Thursday night with your crew, and we need you on board and to invite all the other people that you know and love along for the events that will take place on the 10th and the 24th of September, as well as the 8th of October. So be there or be it a square. This is going to be streamed on YouTube Live alongside our host, Wi-Fi Wars, so make sure you go and give them a follow as well as check out their YouTube channel because that's where it's all going to be sort of taking place. So make sure you check out Captain Morgan's YouTube as well as Wi-Fi Wars. So the games are free to play and will feature games such as Message in a Bottle, Captain's Portrait, and Catch the Hat, amongst other games. Winners can expect prizes in the form of bragging rights and much, much more. They could even get their hands on limited edition bottles of Captain Morgan Original Spices Gold or a gold tankard. I want a gold tankard. It would match my bottle. So there you go, the first event takes place on the 10th of September, which is tomorrow. So, I mean, depending on what day you watch this, but as of yet, it will be tomorrow. So make sure that you guys head over there, and also make sure you head over to my Twitter and Instagram, mainly my Instagram, because I am going to be having the links for the games and the streams on there that you will need to click on so that you can watch, you know, be part of the live stream, play the games with me. I'm going to be playing along. I will be there. I promise I will be there playing along with you guys. And come on, I mean, we have to do this. As a horde, we need to do this together because we need these gold tankards, okay? We have to get a gold tankard. I need it. I need it. But also I'll be doing a little giveaway / competition on my Instagram, so make sure you check out that, give me a follow, and yeah, it'll be on my stories as well as my actual main Instagram sort of page. So make sure you follow me, otherwise you will miss out because I'm not going to be posting it anywhere else. It will be on my Instagram, so you're going to have to go do that. But there we go. Thank you so much for Captain Morgan for basically reaching out to me and asking me to do this. I'm super, super excited. But now I need to go away and figure out how to make this drink. Because I've never done it before. Okay, so I am on the actual Captain Morgan website to find what I need to make the Captain Mint Cooler. So I have my tankard. I also have a copper straw because I like drinking my drinks with a straw. I have sensitive teeth, okay? Every captain needs a cooler, especially when it's a fresh tasting and minty as this one, made with lemonade, ice cubes, a mint sprig, squeezed lime wedge, and of course, Captain Morgan's original spiced gold. This tongue tantalizer is best enjoyed in a hammock on the beach. Oh. But we know you don't always have a beach at hand. Oh, phew. So a handful of mates and your local watering hole is just as ideal. Cheers. Okay, so what you'll need for one serving is 50 ml of Captain Morgan Original Spice Gold. We have that. 150 ml of lemonade. Oh, yes. 1 mint sprig. We have mint. Squeezed lime. Yep. And a glass full of ice cubes. Oh, ice cubes. Oh. There we go. Ice cubes. Okay. That looks good. Okay. What the hell is that? Is that a chip? There is a chip in my... That's fine. It'll just add flavour. Our glass full of ice and a little bit of potato. And then it says to pour in the Captain Morgan Original Spice Gold and lemonade. Okay, we're gonna have to open this beautiful baby. I'm sorry. Man, that smells good. Okay, that smells amazing. Not gonna lie. Oh gosh. Okay, we pour it. Ooh. Sorry, not to get it all over ourselves. Into the tanker. Tankard. Woo-wee! That smells amazing. That smells so good. Oh, nothing like a bit of Captain Morgan's in the morning, am I right? Okay, then it says to pour in some lemonade. Oh no, it's a thingy. Wasn't prepared for this. Okay, I have my bottle opener. Oh gosh, is this gonna explode on me? Oh, we're good. Oh man, it's been such a long time since I've had lemonade too. Okay, so then it says to just fill it up with lemonade. It's like some ASMR. Can you hear that? Captain Morgan's. There we go. Look at that. And then it says mix well. Oh god. Smells so good. Smells so good. I needed this. It's been such a long time since I've gone to a pub and had like an actual alcoholic drink. Oh man, I'm excited. Garnish with a mint sprig and lime wedge. So is a mint sprig like a leaf? Is that just like a leaf of lime? How much is a sprig? A sprig is generally defined as 2 to 4 pinches of a herb. Okay, that's fine. I mean, they've got an entire bush in their drink. I think it's like this. I'm gonna keep it like this. Okay. How pretty is that? Okay, let's give it a try. I mean, that's just delicious. That's amazing. Oh, that was delicious. So there you are. Not only has this been an unboxing, it's been a little recipe tutorial video thing. How to make a Captain Morgan's mint cooler. You're welcome. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure that you join me tomorrow, the 10th of September, for our first Captain Morgan's Who's the Captain Now gaming event. It's going to be fun. I'm going to be there. I'm going to be going for that gold tankard. You bet your sweet pirate ass I'm going for that golden tankard, okay? And you guys better be there too. So make sure, if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, because I'll be doing a competition so that you can win your own bottle of Captain Morgan's Gold. Spiced gold. It's delicious. It's amazing. You're gonna want it, okay? So thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure to click that subscribe button. Go follow me on Instagram, Twitter, @CustomRhea with 2 A's. But for now, I'll bid thee farewell, and I guess I'll see you guys over on Captain Morgan's YouTube channel. I'm the captain now.